Welcome to Doing Life with Michele. We all start out with good intentions, just like open shelving. The solution? Doors. After much research, I found these clean white cabinets online at Ikea. I measure and take a trip to see the cabinets in person to evaluate the construction and style myself. After an easy checkout and a peek at the amazing cinnamon rolls, Gluten Free Sadness, we start our family project. Tips: empty and clean the room. Have at least one person with a good attitude to work with. Always build on the cardboard and follow the easy instructions. This took about 2 to 2.5 hours per cabinet. I love the look, and now everything has a home right behind these doors. Thanks for watching Doing Life with Michele. Please like and subscribe.